Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use the spot mowing feature on the Mähmaschine Lubetensen. To use it, click where it says Most Likely All Area and select Spot. Then you can set a spot either remotely or by tapping. First, I'll show you the tapping feature. It's easier, but sometimes remote is more useful. Tap to set, tap somewhere, and it creates a spot that you can resize. It has to be at least 1 by 1 meter. Once you've created a spot, click on Start. The spot will likely be saved for later, so you can use it again. Click Start, and it'll begin mowing. To set a spot remotely, click on it and the robot will leave its station. It may take a moment to calibrate. Once it's there, you can move the robot to a certain spot. Then click Set Spot and it'll set it in that place. It doesn't let you draw by moving the robot, it just sets the center, which you can still adjust. This is great for larger areas when you need precision and can't locate the spot on the map. That's basically it. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.